One unexpected bill can wipe out your savings. A lost job, medical emergency, or car repair could put you in debt fast. That's where an emergency fund comes in, your financial safety net. An emergency fund is money set aside for life's unexpected expenses. It's not for vacations or shopping, it's strictly for emergencies. Think of it as your backup plan when life throws a curveball. Life is unpredictable. Without an emergency fund, even small crises can lead to big debt, especially if you rely on credit cards or loans. With one, you stay calm and covered. Start small. $500 to $1,000 is a great first goal. But aim for 3 to 6 months of living expenses. If your monthly bills are $2,000, you'll want at least $6,000 saved. Set up a separate savings account. Automate small deposits weekly. Skip a few takeouts. Use side income if possible. Slow and steady wins here. An emergency fund doesn't make you rich, but it keeps you from going broke. Start building yours today, no matter how small. Your future self will thank you. Was this helpful? Hit like, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs to hear it. Smart money habits start here.